Push-up contest, Steep Creek, 2012. There's sexy back Oliver. Big Mo. Mo.
7, 8, 9.
Joe Lonnie.
At some point it goes. Yeah, there's gotta feel awkward.
Curtis.
This is gonna be a good matchup too. Yeah.
Big Bo. Who do you think's gonna win, Julie? Make a prediction. Oliver? Joe? Joe? Julie, make what? Not Tim. That's my prediction.
Who is it? Is it?
Montana.
Wait, for the Olympics, is it the collective number of push-ups?
Watch him.
No, it's whoever makes it the furthest.
That should be added.
I think it should be collective.
Fine, collective number.
Because Joe's gonna win.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Who do you think, Kev? Who's gonna win, Kev?
Probably Joe.
Joe? How you feeling, Kev?
Little grimy.
A little grimy. You can take a shower?
I'm good. I'm fresh.
Mo's looking good. Look at those muscles, Joe.
Old guys keeping up.
All right, we're taking a break for now.